Hello everyone, it's me Jenny Sai. Today I am going to teach you how to build your own volcano. For this, you need this product made by Steam Company with the collaboration with National Geographic. Now let's open the kit. There is one manual, one volcano translation, and another is volcano learning guide. I will read this later on, so let's see what's inside. There is eruption powder and citric acid, and one volcano blaster, one lava stones. Will get. There is a cap, one color and brush packet, one spoon, and one plastic puzzle. I've gone through this instruction manual. It is very important and you should read this before you start the experiment. If you are under 8 years old, you should take help of your parents. Now let's clear the space. Now the space is clear. Few things you may need for this experiment are empty container, and the glass, two glass. This glass cannot be used after the experiment. A scissor, and this is the empty scrap which I found around my house. You can use newspaper also, and a jug of water. Let's start the experiment. Now add some water in this container. Add a half cup of water. And we should join this. Check all the corners, will the plaster be leak or not. Put this cap in like this and put it aside. Now take scissors and a plastic bag. Check the adapter Don't make it too thin also and don't make it too thick also because we should put in the mold. More to add. I think we should add more also. Now our mixer is ready and we should pour it in this. Now we have filled the plaster in the mold. We should wait for 30 to 45 minutes to dry it. Till that time, don't go anywhere and watch this video. Take out the mold. Now this is what we got after taking out the mold. Now it's time for the color. Now let's paint it.
What we do here is
If it
go
is not
back,
dry,
back, back, back,
if
back.
it is wet, then we should wait for 1 or 2 days. In my case, it is completely dry, so I can color it. Let's color it.
Big John.
Now it's time for orange. time to dry. It's time to erupt the volcano. Before we erupt the volcano, we should open our windows because it will create carbon monoxide, which is harmful to us. We have opened the window. Before we start the experiment, the volcano can cause mess around. So let's put a tray under it. And also we need is eruption powder and citric acid, 1 glass and 1 drop of water. And take it out. Put some citric acid in a glass. About like this. The more you use the powder, the more better you will get the eruption. Keep right here. It's time for eruption powder. Now we have got the eruption powder, and let's take it out from spatula. More liquid here. Now let's add some water. Like this much. And this bring it right here. Let's put our acids. Like this much. Let's put it aside. Be careful while using this water and this mix. While you mix this, it's acid. Do not touch it with your bare hands. It can cause injuries. It is easily available in your kitchen. And put some baking soda. Put like this much. Put little on it. Now this time let's try this in a dark. Now let's put baking soda in. And let's put some vinegar. Let's put some more.
What we do here is go back.
like and subscribe. And see you in my next video.